Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the very important topic and interesting topic, that is sentiment analysis. If we talk about sentiment analysis, yes, it is one of the important area in business analytics. Even for any businessman, it is very important that what are the sentiments of the customer, what are the feedback of the customer about his product or services, or even in society also, when we want to know that what the political leaders or the celebrities, what they put in, how they perceive the things, right? So there also sentiment analysis play a very important role. So for conducting sentiment analysis, I am using R Studio. So you can see over here, this is my R Studio window. Now in R Studio window, we are having this window pane where we will type our script. In second window pane, it is basically consisting of environment, history, and whatever the connections are there. They are no connected. I'm not connected with any other app or software, and tutorials are there, right? Then in this window pane, we are having various tabs like files. We can import files directly from here, but yes, it is only confined to single files. Then this is plot, where when we type the script for plotting the various graph or plotting word cloud or anything, it will display the plots over here. Now packages. Now it is very important that when we are working in R, there are certain packages is already defined in our library. But while we are working in R, we have to attach this package with R. For attaching this package, we are having the command require. We call R that by the help of require command and attach the particular package in that, and only after that we can work with the particular command of that particular package. If we have not installed the package or call this package in R Studio, that particular command will not work. So students, please be sure that you call the particular package in which you are going to work, and after that you can give the command. Then their help is there, viewer is there, and presentation package. So now let's start with sentiment analysis. How we do that? So for sentiment analysis, as we know, it is the part of text analytics, right? So there are some packages that is needed to be installed in R Studio. So the first package that I will call over here is text mining package. So I will call by using the command require, and the text mining package, that is TM. You can see it has been uploaded. Along with that, it has also uploaded another package, NLP, that is natural language processing. Then if we want to work, we have to put in our data, like for sentiment analysis, it may be either in PDF format or it may be either in doc format. So here I am using the data in PDF format. So what I will do, I have to install another package or call another package, that is PDF tools. Now it has been called. Now the next step is we have to set our working directory. Now, what is working directory? Actually, when we work on R, we have to tell R from where it refers to files or where it saves its output, or from where it refers to the file when I want to work on those files, from where it imports that file. So for importing the file, we have to put in all those files in the current working directory. So I am setting my current working directory. Let's see how we will set our current working directory. Go to session, set working directory, and choose directory. So you can choose anywhere. I am choosing in my D drive. I will choose R as my working directory. Yes. Now you can see the message has been displayed. Set wd d prompt R. It means now my working directory has been set to R in D drive. Now in this sentiment analysis tutorial, I have referred the PDF file of the script of Man Ki Baat by respected PM Modi ji. So from where I get this PDF? I get this PDF from the website that is already there, newsonair.com/Man Ki Baat. Here you will find out the PDF of various episodes. Like I am clicking over here. So I'm not doing that. The PDF is there and I can download PDF from this site. It goes to YouTube. No. Or simply you can type in Google Man Ki Baat script PDF download. Yeah. So you are having various websites. Yeah, this one is. Yeah, this is the website that I will refer to. Man Ki Baat 83rd episode English PDF. You can find out over here, right? So you can see that on this website you will find out all of the PDF over here, right? Yeah, this is the PDF. Similarly, you can download various PDFs from this website, right? Now, what I do, I put in all these PDF in my current working directory that I have set as R in my D drive. So let's have a look what how I put in D drive. I have set R as my working directory. Yes, you can see that I have uploaded copy all these 5 files of Man Ki Baat over here in my current working directory. All right. So yes, I will share the link of all these PDF files, or I will upload this PDF file, right? And will share you in my description of this videos, right? So you can access the link and you can download this file from there for your practice purpose, right? So coming back on my R, yes. Now the first step is I have to import this file in my RStudio. So how I will do that? So for that I will create variable that is x equal to, now in x variable I will put in all those 5 files over here. How I will do that? There is a command list dot files pattern equal to PDF. Now if you have downloaded some from any blogs you have downloaded that script in text format, you put in text over here. Or if you have downloaded in document format, you put in docx over here. Here we define the extension of our files and I press enter. Now what happened? In X, all those five files have been there. You can see. I press X. Yeah, you can see all those five files is now in this X variable. It has become over there. Yes. Now, next step is to put in the text of this file in another variable, right? Actually, we will conduct the sentiment analysis on all these five files, and we want to conclude that overall, what are the gestures of respected PM sir. So for that, what we will do, we will put in the text of all these files in y variable by using the command read text. Yeah, this is it already helped me out, right? And press X and press enter. Now the text has been stored in Y. Now I want to now what happened? Actually, all these five file text has been now stored in Y variable as a in a single file. Now I will create another variable z equal to, now I want to see that what are the text in y dollar. Now it is already showing text, enter, enter. Now you can see if I press chat, I want to know that what is the content of jet variable. Yes, of course, the text of y, and y text means the text of all those five files that we put in X is stored in y. Now through jet, I will look into the text of these five files. So I put in the text of these five files that is in y dollar text. It means that I am saying to R that let me show the text of this y and put it in z. So I enter z and press enter. What you will find out? We find out the text is here. You can see the text of all five files has been now combined together, and you can see over here. Now I will create another variable a. Why I'm creating another variable? Because by mistake, if you are using the same variable and by mistake you make some wrong command, then you have to do all the analysis again, because it overwrite the file. So I'm not giving our scope to overwrite the same file. If by mistake I put in some wrong command, so that I am having the particular file with me, right? That is Z. In A, now next step is, after importing the file, the next step is data cleaning. And now data cleaning, in that we have to convert all the uppercase into the lowercase. For that, how I will do that? To lower. And what to lower? I want to convert the uppercase that is in Z to the lowercase. So I will put in like this. Yes. Now again, if I press A, I will find that now each and every text has been converted to the lowercase. That is, now this text, please be aware, this text is stored in variable A. In A, I am having the lowercase text, right? Now, the next step is we have to remove the stop words. Now, stop words are very common words that we are using. and they have nothing to do with our sentiments. Like you can see, there are certain list of stop words is already there in the library of R, like oh, sorry, okay, it is okay. I am I wrongly typed this. Stop words. It's not words. So be particular while you are entering the command. Yeah, these are I, me, my, myself. Now you notice all these words, stop words are in smaller case. That's why I have convert all the uppercase to the lower case. Now I want to remove this stop words from. Now I'm creating new variable B. B means that the B consists of the files without stop words, and I refer A for. So remove. Now you can see words. Capital W will be there, not a small w. It will be capital W. Remove words. Now from where I want to remove words? From A, I want to remove words, A comma, and what words I want to remove? Stop words. And now what happened if I go with the B script? I will find that most of those words has been, stop words has been removed from my script. You can see over here, there is nothing like I and they and this kind of words are not there. But their limitation is also there. Many times it happens there, apart from this stop words, there are certain words that you have to be very much clear. Either you want to put in your script or not. Like you can see over here, in this speech, G word is there. Now, if we talk about G, yes, what it represents? It represents that yes, respected PM show respect, right? So when we are talking about G word or some like we talk about like Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, all these words. So what you want to, either you want to put in those words or not, it depends on you. Now we have imported data, we convert in lowercase, we remove the stop words. Next step is we remove punctuation marks also. So as you write, remove punctuation, and from where I am working with B now. You can see whatever the punctuation marks, now they have been removed, right? Comma, full stop, and all these punctuation marks have been removed. Now my data is almost prepared for this. If I want to, you know, there are certain spaces may be created over here. So now what I will do, yeah, I have write this command, remove punctuation B. I will put in another file, right? That is C, and again I remove punctuation B. Actually, I have to put like this only, right? Now it will be very much clear. Now C consists of the text that is without punctuations, right? Now you can see there are certain spaces are there, so we can also remove these white spaces, right? And by removing these white spaces, the data will be more cleaned, right? And how we remove these white spaces? Yes, for that we are having the command. Now I am creating D variable, D equal to paste. Now for removing the white space, I will use the command paste. Now from where I want to remove the white space, that is from C. All right, I will put an enter. Now this C, or in fact I have created this D file, I suppose. Just a minute. Um, these are the stop words. So I put in the in B. Okay, without stop word, I put in B, and after that, yeah, just under here, over here. In C, I have removed punctuation marks. All right, and after that, I am creating another variable that is in basically it is in D in fact. So in C it is okay, paste collapse, and I make it P. In fact, I should make it D. D equal to paste, comma, C, comma, collapse equal to. Now, if I want to see the content of D, I can find out this is the content of D. Yes, so you can find out whatever the spaces are there, they have been removed between the lines, right? Between the lines, if there are two spaces or any lines are there, so they have been removed, right? Now I am having this content, all this content is with me. Now, next step is to go for final sentiment analysis. So this is how we do data cleaning. First of all, we import the file, then we go for data cleaning. In that, we go for convert the file into the lower case. We remove the stop words, we remove the punctuation marks, we remove the extra spaces, right? Now, this is the time when I am having the text of all those 5 files with me. Now I am going to conduct sentiment analysis, and for sentiment analysis in R we are having very good package that is require. Again I will call SY SWIGHET, SYUZHET. Now I will attach this package over here. Now this is the package that is used for sentiment analysis in R, right? Now once you call this package, now it is still loading required package SWIGHET. All right, okay. Now my data, all this text file is in the variable D, right? Okay. Now, for conducting the final sentiment analysis, for knowing the gestures of respected PM, sir, now we are in the final phase. How we will do that? Let's have a look. We type in get underscore uh, NRC. Yeah, this is NRC sentiment, and within a bracket from where, in which file we are having final text, that is in D file. Yeah, I press enter. It is working. Let it do its task. It is working. Just wait for a moment. It consists of text of 5 files, so it takes a time. Yeah, now you can see, in fact, I press in the command 2 times, so it gives me the result 2 times. In fact, now you can see over here how it works. You can see it has given that. Now you know what happened. Actually, I have put in all these 5 files together, right? In spite of separating these 5 files, and I take all the content of this file all together as a text, right? So because of that, what it is showing, one is that it is consider the text of all those 5 files as a single text. If I consider them separately, right, then in that case it will show like first file, this is the result, second file, this is the result. But actually, in from the single file, or from single speech, we cannot uh, accurately determine that what is going on in the data. So for that I have taken these 5 files, so you can see the result are there. So this is how we know now. Anger 52, anticipation 139, disgust 41, fear 77, joy 139, sadness 63, surprise 55, trust 182, negative 123, and positive words are 357. So uh, there are certain limitation also. It compares its own gallery, the words in its own gallery. There are certain set of words with R that some of them show anger, some of them show anticipation, disgust, fear, joy, sadness. So yes, because of this, uh, there are limitation also there, that how much the results are accurate. But more or less, yes, the results are here. So in this way, you can conduct the sentiment analysis of any blog, of customers, of any celebrities, of any leader, right? Or any book also. If you are having any books, right? So you can take any book from there, like biography or like that, or some author's viewpoint, right? And you can make this sentiment analysis, so that you will know that actually what is the sentiments of the author or the speaker. So this is all about sentiment analysis. Yeah, one more thing is there. If we want to plot that what are the words that are used widely by the speaker, so we are having the command word cloud. We can plot word cloud also like this, and yes, the file is in B. Enter. Now plot will be displayed over here. You can see the plot is here. Today, day, friends, we, talking, great. These are the words how they appear. Yes, this is how the word cloud is there. You can see. So word cloud basically represents the size, the size of the words are basically, that is, that represents the number of frequency is directly proportional to the size of the words over here, right? So you go with this sentiment analysis. Uh, you can take any block, you can take any book or else, and conduct this sentiment analysis. And if any query, please comment me in my comment box. So thank you, students. Have a great day ahead.